go. Let's go. Oh, snap. Let's go. Yes. Alright. First thing out the box when you open it up, we have the remote. Put that bad boy there. Let's go ahead and slide this thing out. Oh, shoot. The gray looks so much better than the burnt copper color. Might make me use this body a lot longer than swapping it out. Looks way better. So our body comes off, and then I got some zip ties that hold it together on there, so I'll cut that off in a second. We have bumpers, gyro, little screwdriver, bunch of different things, all this little spoiler, sticker kit. This is sick. Fuck, finally. Hell yeah, can't wait to get this thing all together. So I went ahead and slapped some batteries in this bad boy, got it all buttoned up, and set the gyro endpoints. And was just doing some quick little practice runs in the house. This thing absolutely rips. And funny enough, I did get invited out to Dory Lounge here in the Orlando area, so head over to that track. And unfortunately, after 40 minutes, the stock plastic servo horn went out, so I wasn't able to drive much longer. Car kept on getting stuck lock to lock, but I was able to ghetto rig it, and a couple days later went out to Seven Tails, which is also in the Orlando area, and was able to get some laps down. So as you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and slide this track and show you guys how capable this thing is out the box. Now, I am not the best. This is the first 110 car that I've ever driven. It's a whole lot of fun. We'll say the LDRCs did help me get some technique down and, you know, learn to feel out the car a bunch. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to this footage. So as you can see, I'm really getting used to the car, flicking it into these big entries, holding the line pretty well, but I did mess up big time. Right there you can see I misjudged the corner, smacked the wall, and there goes the steering servo again. So these plastic steering servos are absolute crap. I wish they would pack like 1 or 2 more in with the plastics with this RTR build, but yeah, we have an aluminum one on the way, and guys, a lot more coming with this car. We still have some with the LDRC as well, so stay tuned for that. And with that, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.